What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Thanks for joining me. If you've been following along on the channel for a while, some of my first videos I was working on a Project 240sx drift car. It's a little stale, hasn't been on the channel in a while, so this video is kind of just to update you guys that are interested in the 240, where it is, what it's up to. Do I still have it? Well, yes, I'm actually leaning on it, but yeah, some of you know I've lost interest in the project, so I'm going to tell you in this video what the deal is, so stay tuned. Well, I'm not going to beat around the bush. I'm getting rid of the 240. It's not a very fun project. I'm over it. I'm kind of like, I've had the car for I think 7 or 8 years now, and I've probably only driven it for 2 seasons, maybe 3 seasons of drifting. It's sat in my garage and taken up space, so it's just money sitting, taking up space in my garage. And if you watch my previous videos, you'll know that my next thing that I want to buy is actually a side-by-side. Check out these videos. I'll put a link somewhere up here or down below in the description. But yeah, I need to make room in my garage for a side-by-side. And if I had unlimited amounts of room, I would keep the 240, but it'd probably just rust away and we'll never see it again. Unless I get time to work on it. But, you know, I'm looking for something new, something cooler, something, you know, not so much of a project from start to finish, but something that's running and driving and that I could actually go out and enjoy. So today we are going to get some of the parts, put the seats in, wash it up, put the hood on, maybe the fenders and all that stuff, and get it ready because I have a buyer coming to pick it up. So I know some of you guys, the 240 fans, probably not too happy to hear that I'm giving up on the project, but I can still help you if you have questions or anything like that. I can still help you with the build because I've already finished it. That was before I did videos, but I kind of tore it down and then started rebuilding it, and then that's why I lost my motivation for it. I kind of fell out of it, and now here I am looking for something new. So taking a look, you can tell it's pretty dusty. It's just been sitting here since I moved here and acting as a shelf, basically holding all my crap. Yeah, but once it's gone, I'll have some room to play until the side-by-side gets here, of course. But hopefully you stick around for the side-by-side content, because that's going to be the new toy and the fun on the channel. So make sure you subscribe to follow along, of course. Like the video, please, even though you might be a little upset that the 240 is going bye-bye. But yeah, let's go ahead and start putting it back together and washing it up and getting it ready for the new buyer. Okay, well, we have a problem. I don't have the keys to this car. I forgot. She's gone, so we can't move her car. So do we wash the car halfway out of the garage, halfway in the garage, or try and get it in between there and take it out there? It's gonna be kind of difficult. I don't know. Do I try it? What do you guys think? Alright, I'll try it. I'll try it. I don't think it's going to be a lot of work. I'm going to be a glazed ham at the end of this, but I'm going to try it. we're almost there. It's super close. So what I'm gonna do is I'm actually gonna hook up this tow strap and then hook it up to my truck and pull it out, and hopefully I don't hit her car or my house. We'll see. Can I do this all by myself? I guess we'll find out. If I do this successfully, you guys better give me a thumbs up on the video, please. Or at least subscribe to the channel. Let's do it. We got this, baby. We got it. Merch plug, stickers, link in the description. I see you. Not focusing. There you are. Got that sweet $20 Amazon special right there. Backup camera. I'll put a link up to the video that I did on the install on that if you want to check that out. There we go. Wish me luck. Alright, lace cam effect, fully engaged. Had a little scare there, but I got it done. Did you believe in me? You knew I could do it, yeah I know. Well, we're gonna go ahead and finally wash this thing up and start loading it with parts and get it on its way. Alright. So we got it all nice and shiny, nice and cleaned up for the buyer. We're gonna go through my shed, find all the stuff that I got for it to go with it. We'll just start putting it in the trunk, in the cab, or in the car, I guess. I don't know what you even call it. But yeah, I don't want to bore you too much with all the crap that I got for it. But I'll bring you along a little bit here and there and show you what I got. So here's all the crap that I got to fit inside there. Since it's all apart, the front end's not together, so I'm going to put the fenders on, I think. Not the bumper, because we got a load on the trailer and that's going to scrape. Keep those off. Probably put the hood on or put it in its place and then strap it down. And then put these seats in there. We should be golden. Alright, well it's getting kind of late, so we're going to wrap things up. The buyer's coming tomorrow morning to pick it up. So, we'll pick things up tomorrow. So, good night. See you in the morning. There it is. It's the next day. The buyer's only a couple minutes away, so we're gonna go ahead and get it ready to load on their trailer. So they should be here in a couple minutes, and then it's the final goodbye. I know, sad moment. Shed one tear, but it has to go. Goodbye, 240. Sad, sad day when a project comes to an end. Well, there it is. It's gone. It's gone forever. Carson, did you say bye? Say bye to the 240?
Bye.
Alright guys, I'm sorry, but we're going to end it here. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and in the next video, peace out. Bye!